This is our Zinus Green Tea Cooling Gel Memory Foam Mattress. And right now we are in our RV. We chose to get this because we had had several RV people recommend it. If you own an RV, you know how uncomfortable they can be. And so we got it for the RV, hoping that it would be more comfortable. It was way beyond more comfortable. As I think I said, this is the 10-inch version. And we loved it so much that we also decided to get one for home. Our one in the RV is a full, and this one at home is a king. It arrives well packaged and tightly compressed in a roll inside a box. So you'll need to open it up on your bed and let it expand for like 24 to 48 hours. We slept on it the first night and it was fine. It had a slight smell when we first unwrapped it, but my husband has a very sensitive nose and he was fine with it after just a few hours. You can put it on a box spring, but you don't need one as it works great on a platform bed like we have. And I appreciate that we don't disturb one another when we move around a lot. I'm very restless and I'm a light sleeper. We had already tried several memory foam toppers, even expensive ones, but they just were not comfortable. And we didn't want to spend thousands of dollars on a regular mattress, so we thought we'd try out the Zinus memory foam mattress, and it is so much better than getting a topper. It's very comfortable, just as comfortable as a regular mattress. It does have a 10-year limited warranty. As an Amazon associate, I earn on qualifying purchases, and I hope that this was helpful.